Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make a delicious garlic butter chicken. And it's made with very little effort and just a few ingredients. I came up with this the other day when I was hungry, had very little time to cook, and wanted something satisfying. I have 2 large chicken breasts that are bone in and skin on. They've been washed. Pat them dry with paper towels. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. Put a little soft butter in a bowl. I'll grate garlic cloves right over the bowl with the butter. To the butter and garlic, add some salt and ground black pepper. Give it a mix. Nice garlic butter paste. Put your fingers under the skin to loosen it a little bit and tuck the paste under the skin all over the meat. For the dry spices, coarse salt, garlic powder, paprika, cayenne powder, and dried thyme. Mix this up. We'll season both sides of the chicken. I'm not going to put any oil on top of the chicken because as it cooks it'll release some juices and the melted butter, and we can use that to baste the top of the chicken. There's no need to add extra oil. Turn the chicken over. Put a little bit of the spice mixture on it. Rub it into the meat. You can see these breasts are really big, and when I bought them there was already a little slit here, which is perfect, so I can put seasoning in here so the entire breast will be seasoned. Season the top. Rub it all over the skin. I'll set the chicken aside while I heat up the oven. Heat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius. It'll take about 10 minutes for my oven to heat up, so that's all the time that the chicken sat aside for. Even without marinating, the chicken tasted really good. That's why I wanted to share this recipe with you. Bake the chicken in the heated oven for 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the size of the breast you're using. If you're not sure when your chicken is done, use a meat thermometer. During cooking, take the chicken out after 15-20 minutes and baste it with the juices on the pan. Tilt the pan a little, get the juices, and pour it over the chicken. After about an hour, my chicken is cooked. Let this rest for at least 5 minutes before cutting into it. Get all the juices from the pan and serve it alongside the chicken. This recipe is for garlic lovers only because it tastes really garlicky. You can see the garlic and butter, salt and pepper right there. The skin is tasty from all the dry spices. You can dip the chicken in some of the juices. It's so tasty, and you saw how easy it was. Nice and juicy, it's perfectly cooked. Give this chicken a try and let me know how you like it. Share this video and subscribe for more recipes. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.